Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Developing Genius Mind. So today I am going to teach you conjunction. Conjunction means connecting two word, phrase and clause. Okay, if I tell you in simple language, so conjunction are the word that join other words, phrase and sentence. Got it? Like before starting the topic, before moving ahead, let me tell you one positive quote is life become more peaceful when we when we stop expecting and start accepting whatever we have. Okay, so guys, stop expecting from others. Always believe in yourself, like whatever you have, enjoy that. Okay, because if you will keep any kind of expectation from other, you must get hurt. अगर आपको हर्ट नहीं होना और बहुत पीसफुल लाइफ जीनी है तो stop expecting. Okay, now let's start today's topic, conjunction. We are just completing the series of part of speech. We have discussed noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition. अगर आपको इन सब में से कुछ भी समझना है आप मेरी प्लेलिस्ट में जा करके देख सकते हैं. नाउ आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कंजक्शन. सबसे पहला कंजक्शन है, द फर्स्ट कंजक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज and this conjunction is used to join similar statement, similar ideas, statement, similar things. Like for example, I love to eat cake and ice cream. Cake and ice cream. My favorite fruit is mango and watermelon. And okay, done. Now but is used to join to contrast to opposite sentence or opposite word, or means when there are contrast between them. For example, my dress look beautiful but it's little uncomfortable. Got it? Like I'm good but not feeling hydrated. Whatever, like there is when there is some contrast between them. Like I called Tejas but he was not at home. He wasn't home. Okay, now although are used to join sentence that show contrast. Okay, for example, although it was raining, it was still hot. Although the house was small but built well. Got it? Next is or. लाइट चल रही है ना इसमें. हाँ ओके, एक्चुअली अभी माइक की वजह से मेरा पूरा मैंने वीडियो बना दिया एंड देयर वाज नो साउंड. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट रीचेकिंग दैट इट इज वर्किंग और नॉट. नाउ और we use or to join sentence when there is two option. Okay, when we have two option and we have to select one. Like whenever I go to my home tuition, like whenever I go to some like okay, so they give me like they give me two option, like would you like to tea or coffee. Okay, so whenever we have option, like in question paper there is written or. Okay, so like take me to the beach, take me to the hotel. So take me to the beach or the hotel. Whenever we have two option and we have to choose one, that time we use or. Either or, neither nor. These conjunctions are used always in pair. Okay, like we can go either Spain or Shimla. Sushila isn't in the team. Like अगर हम neither nor use करते हैं, neither Riya nor Sunil is in the team. Neither nor मतलब दोनों ही नहीं है. Either or मतलब जब हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है. I hope this is clear. Neither nor, either or. Okay, neither starting में use हो जाएगा. Not also, not only but also. These conjunction provide additional information we use while talking formally. जब हम formally बात करते हैं तो हम use करते हैं. For example, she not only forget her ID card but also her wallet. Okay, both and भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए. लाइक द बुक वॉज गुड, द फिल्म वॉज गुड. सो बोथ द बुक एंड द फिल्म वर गुड because as seen. So these three conjunction used for indicate the reason for something happening. Indicate the reason for something happening. Reason. For example, she spoke softly because as since is oblique incident. She didn't want to wake up me. She didn't want to wake him. Like I wanted to drink something first as I was thirsty. Reason indicating some reason. Now, if, unless, these are some conditional sentence. Condition. Show condition. For example, if she sent her application, she will get the scholarship. If use kara positive hoya. She's now unless she send her application, she will not get the scholarship. So if और unless समझ में आया तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो सो लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, सो आई होप आपको ये कंजक्शन का टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ होगा. कुछ कंजक्शन मैंने आपको कवर कराई है और दिस इज वेरी वास्ट टॉपिक, बट वट एवर कंजक्शन आई हैव यूज्ड इन टुडेज वीडियो, try to use these conjunction in your day-to-day life. Okay, because English is a language and it will take time if you really want to build a good command on English. Okay, so try to use in your day-to-day life. Try to practice in front of mirror. Okay, bye.